nieces and nephews. It's Uncle Chris. Unfortunately, I was not able to go mega food shopping today, but I was able to go to the food pantry. Let's go.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey, nieces and nephews, we're back at the Uncle Chris house. You have to excuse me, my hair's all over the heckin' place and all over my head. Anyway, I am so sorry I didn't get to do the mega shopping thing with you because money's a little funny. But I am going to do it. But right now, I did go to the food pantry, as you know, and I want to show you what I got. Starting from the left, all the way to the right. We're going to start with our canned goods. We hit the mega load for spaghetti sauce, and that's exactly what I'm going to make today, some spaghetti. I've got some diced tomatoes, no salt added. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. Actually 5, 6. But I do have 3 of the ones with no salt. 4 with no salt added. Oh. Some traditional spaghetti sauce or pasta sauce. I think not only am I going to do spaghetti, I'm going to do pizza as well. Yes, I think so. I got some whole kernel corn. Some cut green beans. You know what? I mixed my beans and my corn together. It tastes so good. I'm thinking of a way to make that into a casserole. Or maybe I could put it in some type of a cornbread with a chili. That might be good. Then we actually have a seafood section. We've got some chicken of the sea, chunk like tuna in water. Then, chicken of the sea, Alaskan pink salmon, wild caught, 2 cans. I love me some salmon salad in the summer. I'm going to show you how I make it. It's real simple, real easy. Then we got some fruit cocktail, some peanut butter and jelly. You can make a peanut butter and jelly cake. Yes, you can. Oh, and I got some pasta for my spaghetti. So check this out. The only thing missing is the meat, and I have that. Then we got some corn flakes. A knockoff brand, but they taste just as good. We got some rice. Long grain, white rice. And then I got a loaf of bread. Wheat bread. Oh, that was so needed. Then back here, I've got 2 boxes of hamburger helper, stroganoff style. Now, I'm not going to use their flavor packet because it's got too much salt in it for me. I will show you how to make hamburger helper stroganoff from scratch. It's easier than you think. Okay? Now, let's jump over here. We got, 1, 2, 3, 4 stalks of celery. I'm going to chop that up, and I'm going to save it for in the freezer for future use. And I'm going to hope I can root these bottoms to grow some more celery. We're going to see. I'll try. We'll see. Then we got 2 bags of yellow onions. Oh, I needed some onions. Look at this. You know what? I think these are... Oh, no, these are sweet Vidalia onions. Oh, my goodness, this is a godsend. You know what? You slow cook these with some potatoes, any type of potatoes, but preferably white potatoes, in the slow cooker. Oh, my goodness, you have heaven. You have heaven. You can make a potato onion soup that way. Now, look at this. Look at this. All nice ones. Not a bad one in the bunch. I can also slice up some of these, mix it with the celery, and freeze it for soups and things and dressings and, not dressings, dressing, stuffing, you know, for the holidays, and just be ready to go. Then we got 2 bags of red potatoes. These are my favorite. You can roast them, you can fry them, you can smash them up and do red potato mashed potatoes, which are heavenly. Especially if you want to make garlic potatoes, these are the ones to use. Then last but not least, we have some delicious chicken drumsticks, a whole pack. Then we've got some wonderful chicken thighs. These are my favorite. I think that I'm going to barbecue these on the grill. I think that would be really nice. Don't y'all think so? I think so. I'm just giving a pan of everything I got. And counting my blessings as well. So now when I go mega shopping at the store, the things I will not buy will be, well, onions, potatoes, chicken. I might not buy that much chicken because I've already got the chicken over here, the drumsticks and the legs. I gotta get in the light too. Anyway, so as I've said before, when you go to the food pantry, that will dictate what you buy at the store. I've already got the chicken. I've already got the tomato sauce. I've already got the pasta. So therefore, I don't buy those things. There you go. All right. Like, comment, subscribe. It's hot today. That's why my hair won't stay in the right place. Write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, at gmail.com. And I've got a special episode coming up. Yes, I did film the building of the waterfall. It is gorgeous. I don't want to spoil it just yet because it came out stunning. I had to go buy a pump. Well, you gotta do what you gotta do. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. Write to me, and don't be afraid to go to the food pantries. Don't let that stigma even enter your mind. If you need help, reach out. Reach out to me. You're hungry? Let me know. All right. Big love. Bye-bye.